Hi, in this video I will tell you how to replace the battery on a Peugeot 308 with 120 horsepower. I have already removed the battery several times, so I can replace it in about 5 minutes. But if you are doing this for the first time, then count on 10-15 minutes. So the first thing we do, we take the T30 asterisk and unscrew the bolt. This bolt of a strange shape is attached to a kind of a plastic visor. On the left side there should be a retainer in this visor, but the previous owner broke it, so be careful. After unscrewing the bolt, press the latch and pull the entire visor on yourself. Next, unscrew the tank with brake fluid. All the same asterisk T30. Unscrewing the tanks is not necessary, but it interferes a little. And the second point, it is very close to the battery. The battery is very heavy. It is inconvenient to take it out. There is a risk of hitting and damaging the tanks, so it is better to remove it. After that, unscrew the plate that presses and fixes the battery. For this we will need a hexagon for 10 and extension cord. On the one hand it is fastened with the bolt, on the other with a nut. We take out the plate. The next step, unscrew 2 more bolts by 10. This will give us some more free space in the future. Remove the positive terminal from the battery. After that, we remove the chip from the negative terminal of the battery. Everything is simple here. On the left side, you need to push and pull on yourself. There will be no problems here. Unscrew the negative terminal from the battery with a hexagon. For this we will need a screwdriver and an extension cord. Remove the terminal from the battery. And the final stage, we take out the battery. Here we need to be extremely careful, because the battery is heavy, it is impossible to grasp normally, and we should not forget that the battery should not be tiled too much. The exceptions are AGM batteries. We install a new battery in the reverse order. Please note that the battery should stand in the designed area for it. There are small sides there. Otherwise, everything is in reverse order. We screw the negative terminal, connect the chip, tighten the nut on the terminal. We install a plate that fixes the battery. Do not forget about these 2 bolts. We fasten the tank with brake fluid. We install a plastic visor and fasten it with a special nut. And finally, we through the plus terminal and climb it. It's all, nothing complicated. Subscribe to the channel, it's a Peugeot channel. Bye.